In this assignment, we are going to write a CAVR program that will display a string, random integer, and floating point value on the serial terminal every 1 second. We use timers with an interrupt subroutine for a 1 second delay. We also use the FTDI chip for serial USB conversion. We are converting through USART. As you can see here, this is our code. We define and include the necessary requirements, set up the baud rate in the prescaler. Here we create a variable count, create our USART init and USART TX string, which will be used for the serial communication. Create a variable outs that is used for converting our integer value and floating value to character strings in order to be displayed through the serial port. We create an integer n, a floating point pi, which is actually 3.14. We have the character string let's get it, which is going to perform as well and be displayed. We also use an empty string with just a single space in order to have spacing on the serial monitor. Here we initialize our count variable to 0 in our main void. We also set up for the interrupt, setting up the prescaler to 1024 for our timers. We reinitialize the baud prescaler here for the USART init. USART TX string we are going to output to the serial monitor connected to show that we're actually getting a connection. Then we're just going to wait here for our string, our interrupt to occur. This is us just setting up the serial communication for the USART, and how we're actually sending it is here. This is now our timer interrupt subroutine, where we will be pretty much counting till 1. Once we get to 1 second, we display all the information that we want, which is our random variable. It's displayed here. We also are displaying our pi variable, and then as well as that string that let's get it, like I said earlier. While we run this code and it is waiting to run, we're going to clear the terminal, show our general setup of the USART. Now that it is running, you can see that we have connected, that we're getting some values. We're going to scroll down and actually show the timing. So now it's displaying it character by character and how long it's taking for each character. If we pause this and measure the value with our calculator, we see that at the first L here, which from the string let's get it, we have 1823073.9743. 1823073.9743, and then the last time it was executed, we have, so we're subtracting the two values, we have 1822046.1373. And once we make this calculation, you can see that we have a 1 second delay with about 28 milliseconds overshoot.